Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I am a UI UX designer with having a 4 years of experience. Today we are going to review a UI UX course according to these parameters for freshers or for those who are willing to switch their profession into this. And before starting with the course review, I will also share a UI UX course link in the description. According to my recommendation, you can check out from there. So let's start with the course review. This course is from Creative Design Multimedia Institute and the course name is Master in UI UX Design, and it's basically located in Surat, Gujarat. And this is the overview of the course: UI UX design process, where to learn, what is user experience. According to all the theory and all the explanation part of about the what is UI UX and what is the design process, is it good or not, and all. And course cover, they are teaching you the Photoshop, introduction, typography, website banner design. They are also teaching the Illustrator, 3D design, logo design, 2D game background design. They are also teaching you HT about the UI UX design, UI fundamentals, wireframing. Like wireframing is the most important part in the UI UX profession. And UI kit design, plugin installation that are unique, and advanced prototyping. That is also main important part of the UI UX course. And they are also teaching you Figma. Figma and HT are both are same, both are UI signing softwares, but Figma are in top right now. Then they are teaching you After Effects, intro tools, UI of the After Effects, transfer mode, logo promotion video. Like After Effects is the motion graphics software, but if they are teaching, it's an advantage. But if we don't learn After Effects, then they are teaching you live project about the UI design, web design, game design, banner design. Overall, they will help you in make the portfolio also. Career opportunities, they have UI UX, mobile UI, web UI, graphic UI. Like course has also graphic softwares also. It's a basic course, I think, not advanced version, because no AI tools are given. No all UI UX tools are teaching like Adobe Sketch. We go with the reviews. It's a 4.8. That's a good review in the Google. 339 ratings are there and all are 5-star ratings. Overall, it's a basic course which is good for a beginner level, and this course duration is of 8 months, 2 plus to 4 hours daily lectures. Job opportunities they are already providing. Rest, nothing is there in this information. Like the information is very less in the UI UX course, and if you want to, you can book a demo from here. Overall, the UI of the page is also not looking good. As a designer, if I want to judge the UI of the page, it is very simple and basic, as is they are providing the UI UX course, so their UI of this page also need to be very good. So let's rate this course. And curriculum depth structure, I would give 1. UX research fundamentals, they are providing 1. UI design quality, again 0. Hands-on projects, they have provided. Tools and software training, I would give 0.5. And mentorship feedback, not mentioned as proper, it's 0.5 again. Portfolio development, they didn't mention they will help or not. Placement in career support, placement they are providing, but career support they have not mentioned. And course values, fees. Course values is okay and fees is not mentioned. So I would give 0 for this. Industry relevance and update, 0.5 out of 1, as it is a outdated course only, not teaching you AI tools and future oriented UI UX. So if we count, it will make a 5 out of 10. So it's a good course. You can go with that if you are a beginner. But according to my side, like there are many better options in the market are there. According to weightage, according to opportunities, according to feedbacks, according to portfolio, UI design quality and all. Also, I will be add a UI UX course link in the description according to my recommendation, which contain heavy weightage in terms of design, fundamentals, structure, depth in the UI UX, and also providing you portfolio and placement career support in that field. Rest, thank you.